thunderstorm warning for north-central Greenup County in northeastern Kentucky, northwestern Gallia County in southeastern Ohio, southeastern Jackson County in southeastern Ohio, northwestern Lawrence County in southeastern Ohio, until 2:45 p.m. At 2 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over South Shore, or near Portsmouth, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portsmouth, Oak Hill, Lake Vesuvius, New Boston, Greenup, Letitia, Franklin Furnace, Gallia, Vernon, South Shore, Haver Hill, Sciotaville, Grays Branch, Pedro, and South Portsmouth.